were starving, huh, my friend? Very hungry.
We were sailing, thank God, because, well, the motor needed a break.
Listen to that. The motor's off. It's been running really good. Had it on several hours. My patch worked. It's not leaking any water, incredibly. The only problem is that the oil lamp won't go off. I've had to check every 10, 15, 20 minutes the temperature gauge because the oil lamp was on and then the alarm was on too. It was strange. Anyways, now we've got absolutely stunning conditions. It's beautiful. I don't know how much wind we have because I don't have a wind meter. Can't tell. Galopin's doing great. You got a great shower this morning. Hopefully we'll get into Dakar tomorrow morning, inshallah. Si Deus quiser, God willing. Cross the fingers. Galopin's been really good, but he needs some good care. Yes, he does. Look at who landed on the Galopin. It's a voyaging pigeon, a carrier pigeon. Can't believe it. Gave him some water, drank, tied him up so he wouldn't fly away till we get closer to land, so he can just chill out here. Voyager pigeon. You were starving, huh, my friend? Very hungry.
We're far from land. How he got to be here, who the heck knows?
Here's my new friend. How's it going, friend? Wonder what his name is, or her name. He's got a number on his feet there. So I don't know if he wants to come with us all the way to Dakar or if eventually he'll want to fly off. It's his decision, of course. Oh, you got a place to be. Huh? People to meet.
I left a ski hat for him to roost, because I'm off to roost myself. Good night, Pigeon Voyager. He spent the night with me in Galopin, and we were even treated to marine voyagers. It's a winded voyage moment, yo. Oops, you want to get a better look, huh? Pigeon Voyager was hungry for breakfast. He pecked and swallowed 3 of those cookies. And then he flew off, and I wasn't filming, of course.
My pigeon friend left. He's over there. All of a sudden he flew off. Look at that little fucker. All the mess he made. Motherfucker. He was there, he ate tons, then he just flew out the window over there. Whoosh. All right, some water, clean this mess up. Pretty unbelievable. So dolphins here in the Bay of Dakar, crowded bay, all these Chinese fishing vessels. And listen to this, my engine's been working great. It's not leaking, and the only thing is the oil lamp won't go off. Temperature is staying steady, and I can cruise into the bay here, underpower the engine without any problems, thank goodness. Okay, this boat is definitely called a Chico. Here we are back in Dakar, Senegal. Whew. It was a rough trip, but we made it here. That's the main thing. I got a bunch of things to do here. Fill up with water, get these cushions fixed. Gonna put up my courtesy flag. But anyways, it's really great to be here. I talked to Arona. We're gonna meet up today, talk about my engine and what can be done about it. We're gonna hang out here a little bit. I'm happy to be back here. They're really working out on the beach there, putting in those conduits for the newer water treatment, the sewage and all this. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great someday. At the moment, it still stinks here. The water's still disgusting, but it'll be much better. As you saw earlier when I came in here and we saw those dolphins. Happy to be back, man. Look at that. Flavors of Africa these boys are fishing. Actually catching stuff. Look at that, a brand new pontoon. Replacing this one. Alright, things are evolving here in Dakar.
First thing to do is to go to the police and immigration in the city. Then work begins on Galopin. Priority are the duct tape cockpit cushions. So trailer park, yo. Dakar is on a boom. Construction everywhere. And infrastructure projects such as this long-awaited sewage system to clean up this bay. The club has been bought by a wealthy local, and things are changing. Luckily, not to help.
Anta, qu'est-ce que tu fais? T'es habillée en vierge, tu vas te marier aujourd'hui? Elle est belle, wow! Magnifique, Anta.
I just came out of customs. Things you have to go and check in with the customs. It's an additional cost, about $35 per month. And I paid for 2 months because I'll probably be here a couple months. Did not have to pay this before.
Part of progress, man. Gotta pay our dues to our kind hosts.
It's no big deal. I'm all legal, checked in. All right, let's get things done.
Check this out. I'm looking at paradise. I moved Galopin to a mooring here, which belongs to Arona. We'll be taking the engine out, so best that Galopin is firmly secure. I won't have an engine to get away if need be. And we're not far from shore, but just far enough. The obvious new addition to the yacht club is this docking pier. It's not meant to last long, and it probably won't because of the storms here. The club committee is waiting for the digging and waterworks to be done before investing in more permanent installations.
So the work's going on, putting in the conduits.
It's been an on and off project for years, but now it seems everyone is motivated. The people did vote in a new government, and like I said, it's booming here.
There's my friend Sammy over there hanging out. Assalamu alaikum, Sammy. My friend Sammy's little place he's got here. He's had to move everything because of all the construction work. Like people actually hang out here. It's a little kind of fishing village. And they're gonna move everything because of the sewer lines they're digging in. Look at this. Fucking hardcore work, man.
This place had its golden era in the 70s, and I sincerely believe a new golden age is coming. Look, man, the people here are committed to change. This project is no easy task. It's quicksand down there. Years ago, a worker almost got swallowed up.
Keep pumping out the water because it's seeping in from the sea. And there's one of the conduits there. You can see it. Let's go find our South African friend, Gerard. That South African's here drinking some beers, probably.
Exactly 1 year ago, I met Gerard here on his way to Cape Town.
And there he is. Wouldn't you know it?
When I dropped anchor here, a familiar voice shouted at me, and now he's back. Boy, we've got a lot to drink and catch up to.
How's it going, Gerard?
Just finished working, mate. Look at this.
Oh, that's good. You're looking good. There's another white motherfucking African, Sergey.
We'll get to Gerard later. Now it's time for the Sunday reggae party. Every week, yo.
welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage. A real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.